Ooh, hello, everyone, and welcome back to Voodoo Buns by Jack. I'm so excited to share something really special with you today. Today I'm attending an incredible workshop called Start 2026 with Clarity, Joy, and Intent. And I created a very intentional blend to bring with me to bring in that clarity, joy, and intent. So, if you've been following my journey, you know that I believe that essential oils can be powerful allies in our personal growth and manifestation work. With yesterday's full moon energy still kind of flowing, I felt compelled to kind of create something that honors the release work that I did yesterday and this beautiful intentions that I plan to set. Oh, I've already started setting, but set today with the group. So here's what makes the blend kind of extra special, and that it perfectly aligns with the word of my year, or I should say, phrase of the year for me. I'm going with vibrations, and I'm committing to vibrating so high that it'll lift the whole damn room. And this blend is taking me in that direction. So let me talk about the workshop a little bit. First, I'll be joining Pam and Sherry for an afternoon that includes soothing meditation, sound healing, creating an intentional infused gemstone bracelet, Sherry with Jemmy Wands, and then designing vision boards. The sound bath is going to be by Pam. Very excited. My moments that I have had sound baths for her have been very vibrational frequency high. So this is just even more. I'm super excited. Can't tell. All right, so that's all. This is all about their workshop. Is all about welcoming in 2026 with prosperity, laughter, joy, creativity, and all what is going to be working for me for this new year. So for this special occasion, I've created what I'm calling my release and renew 2026 blend. So here is how what each oil is in its vibrational intention, how we combine. So we're going to start with cedarwood, and this is Cedarwood Atlas. Not the common, I mean, cedarwood is, again, you've heard me mention before, it's not a true cedarwood that everybody knows, the Juniper virginiana. Okay, so here's Cedarwood Atlas. It's a tree, so it's my grounding anchor and my vibrational foundation. Always got to start a foundation, right? Can't start with the roof, got to start with that foundation. Okay, so after doing some deep release work with the full moon, I'm letting go of anger and fear that no longer serves me. I need something that would help me stable and be centered, grounded, right? Think of cedarwood as tuning your instrument before you play. So this is going to ensure that my vibrations are clear and true and giving me that solid base to vibrate in my true form. All right, next. Still, that's an amazing cedarwood. Again, come play with me sometime. This is not just a doesn't have to be an alone thing. It can be a group. Okay, so bergamot, which bergamot I use a lot. Cedarwood's a little strong there. We'll see what drops, but we got one drop to one drop, so that bergamot. Oh, that's vibrations. I mean, that's a true vibrational gift. So literally raises your frequency by shifting you out of the lower vibrational states, like self-doubt, brings you into joy, self-acceptance, um, helping you believe you deserve all the good things that are coming to you and are happening to you. It naturally elevates your vibration. Beautiful oil that helps replace negative emotions with that kind of optimism that's absolutely magical. All right, Jasmine. A fire oil, if you want to call it a fire oil, a love oil, a heart. I had debated about ylang ylang, but Jasmine spoke. Wow, that's powerful. That is some high vibration energy going on there. Mm, Jasmine. You are beautiful. All right. Very luxurious, very special, very heart opening oil. Connects you to your highest self, your heart. Whew, wow. That's powerful. Whew. All right. So this really helps me vibrate frequency of love, beauty, my authentic desire, the kind of energy that absolutely magnetizes others, that lifts that entire room. Oh, okay. Got the cedarwood still. Kind of lost that bergamot, however you want to pronounce it. All right. So then the last of these oils, maybe Cypress. It is winter. Cypress is water, right? Winter. Ooh, almost got two, but just the one. So Cypress is perfect. That again, supporting that flow, movement of energy, just like river water does. Vibrations aren't static; they're dramatic. They're flowing. This helps me stay in that fluid, adaptable state where my high vibrations can ripple out and affect everyone around me. It's essential for transformation and transition work, which is what I'm shooting for. Okay, so 111. Now, the fifth possible oil. And maybe this is really resonating with sorry, there's one little piece of cat hair there. Grapefruit. Now you heard me kind of mention bergamot wasn't really, so I couldn't decide about grapefruit, so we're letting the intuition today, right here, right now with us to decide this. So I'm gonna put the cap next to it. Brightness. Does give it brightness and joy. I don't know if it helps my bergamot though. Okay, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add it, but still give the option of another bergamot. This is brightness. I mean, this is joy. I mean, the vibration that comes through this. So, ooh, yeah, that raises the frequency of this. Oh, I'm glad. So holding it there, this this works. So, okay, cedarwood in the background, jasmine, cypress. You know, one more bergamot. I kind of alluded to that. I kind of thought that. Grapefruit, again, a little sweetness and joy, but oh, wow. Wow. Oh, does that lift everything? Oh, that needed that second one. Oh, yeah. I'm shaking my boots. Okay, so that pop that grapefruit gave, that helped me manifest everything that I desire energy. I don't know if I can, I might just have to end this now and sit here with this and whoo. This blend truly takes me from grounding to uplifting to my heart opening up. Oh, exactly the vibrational journey that I really want to take today and manifest. Whew. Okay, so my plan is, if I can stop smelling this, my plan is, so in a couple hours is the workshop. So I plan to take this little cotton ball. I might actually make this into a topical blend. I might even share this with the room. All right. Anyway, so I plan to take the moment with this blend, probably just before the meditation and sound bath, if that's the direction it goes. Inhale deeply, really let these oils remind me of what work I have already done and the work I want to proceed with and raising my vibration and releasing what no longer serves me, to tune into that vibration that I want and receive in the clarity, joy, and intention of 2026. Oof. Yep. All right. So this is a reminder that every breath can elevate vibration around me, which means everyone else. Okay. So just a little reflection. So there's something so powerful about bringing aromatherapy into sacred spaces like this one that I'm doing today, this workshop. These oils become vibrational anchors for our intentions, my intentions, helping us stay present, that anchor, that grounding, connecting to what I'm trying to create, that high frequency energy. It's going to be hard to. Okay. Before I completely puddle onto the floor. All right. So I am grateful for these opportunities that this workshop has to pause, to reflect, to consciously choose how I want to show up this next year. I'm excited to see how this blend supports not just my own vibrations, but the others in the room, the entire group, and the lasting effect that it can have. So if you're setting intentions for 2026, I love to hear about them in the comments below. Or go to my school community, post in there, what's calling to you? What are you ready to release? What's your word of the year? Have you used essential oils to support your vibrational work? Tell me, would you have added grapefruit, or would you just kept it sophisticated without that? Well, I'm sorry. I'm going to say the joy, which is probably not the right way. Okay. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below. So don't forget to like this video if it resonates with you. Subscribe for more aromatic adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep those vibrations high and happy blending. Ta-ta.